Good morning students. Today we are discuss about relation between pressure and mean kinetic energy. From earlier sections, the internal energy of the gas is given by that. We have to find out the U or the value, the internal gas energy of the gas or value. We have to find out total work done. U equal to 3 by 2 NKT. So N is a molar. Okay, Avogadro n, right? Number of molecules. RT KT is a kinetic energy, right? Above the equation can also be written as that what we are writing 3 by 2 PV. So we rewrite to that mu equivalent to 3 by 2 NKT. Okay, so that one we have to rewrite. So in the NKT already we are taken to the ideal gas. So ideal gas what we are taking, NKT taken to the pressure volume, right? PV. Okay, so now we are substitute that NKT alternate. Okay, by NKT. So that we are, since here we are apply to that this formula. So U equal to 3 by 2 PV. Okay, next that PV. So that PV equal to U PV equal to you are find out. Okay, next we are find out the P value, pressure value we have to find out. Now how to we are find out? So the P you are keep it this side 3 by 2 and V going to the equal that side. So what come up? The 3 by 2 it's a inversely coming 2 by 3. It's changing to 2 by 3. So V it's a multiplication. It's going to that V it's a multiplication. So going to the 1 by V. So what we are find out the value? P equal to 2 by 3 U by V we have to find out. Okay. So now we get the value. So U by V equal to take to the U. Why you are take to the U means that we can that the pressure of the gas is equal to the second and third of the internal energy per unit volume. So per unit volume udiya internal energy of the density what we have means U equal to small u equal to capital U by V, the work done by volume. Okay, so that is so writing the pressure in the terms of the mean kinetic energy density using the equation. Already you know that the kinetic energy what of mv square, right? So now we are using to that the V uv, that what we are taking to the P equivalent to pressure, the kinetic energy of the density pressure P equivalent to 1 by 3 N mv square. This also we are find out the last previous section. So now you see that Nm. So Nm we have to take to the rho. So rho is a mass of the density. So now we are taking to that. So replace that what Nm equal to P, you are replace that. So what we are finding the value 1 by 3 rho V squared complement. Okay. So next you see the multiple and divided both side of the 2. So the 1 by 3 and P. Okay, so both side you have to multiply. Your multiply means what come that here 2. The P into 2, this formula you see here. So P equal to 1 by 3 P rho V squared modulus. Okay, so here you are multiply to the 2. Upper 2P equal to 2 by 3 PV squared come. Okay, so the here having the 2, that 2 you are going to this side means what come? 1 by 2 come, right? So 1 by 2 come means come, you see. So this I find out this value. P equal to 2 by 3 rho by 2 V squared modulus. Okay, so now you see that in the 2. Now you see that of mv squared. Okay, so the rho the value what we are taking to the rho value mn. Okay, replace again you are replaced to the mn. You see here. So the rho how to you are writing nm v squared modulus by 2. Okay, here I written that. So what happen again you see that. So m of mv squared. Okay, of mv squared what we are taking kinetic energy. Okay, so that is we are using to here replace to the value of mv squared we are taking to the ke, that is a kinetic energy of modulus. So for P or the value are taken 2 by 3 k kinetic energy. Okay, from the equation you find out that the pressure is equal to 2 by 3/4 இருக்கும். எப்படி இருக்கும்? 2 by for 3ல 2 times what இருக்கும் the kinetic energy per unit volume இருக்கும் right. So now you see again that are you understood? I hope you are understood that calculations. Next you see that some elementary deduction from kinetic energy of the gases, some elementary deduction from the kinetic energy. Okay, you see that so 3 laws we have to find out. 3 laws. So first law is here Boyle's law, second law is here Charles law, third law is here Avogadro law. The first law what you are doing already you know that Boyle's law. So Boyle's law what you are temperature here constant, here the temperature constant. So what happened, the temperature is a constant, the pressure of the given gas inversely proportional to the volume. The pressure of the gas, அதாவது pressure of a given gas, whenever you are given to the pressure to the gas, it is a inversely proportional to the volume of the gas. So what happened here, the temperature is a constant. Okay, temperature is a constant. So now we are take to the equation. So we know that 9.2 equation what we are taking to 9.12. So this equation. So okay, so that one you are taking to that PV equivalent to 2 by 3 mu. So PV equivalent to 2 by 3 mu U. Okay, so that one. So next you see that the internal energy of the ideal gas equal to the N is a what? Avogadro kinetic energy. That is what? N is a number of molecules. Okay, so the times the average kinetic energy is eta of the each molecule. So what you are doing, the U equivalent to how to you are taken to the U value, U equivalent to Avogadro, that is a number of the molecules, next to the average of the kinetic energy E. So U equivalent to NE. Okay, so next you see that for a fixed temperature, that already I told. So what we are doing, the Boyle's law, we are take your constant value of the temperature you are taking, so that the kinetic the pressure of the pressure given to the gas, already it whenever we are given to the pressure to the gas, it is a inversely proportional to the gas of the volume, right? So gas of the volume. So this is we are telling to that Boyle's law. So what we are, the PV equivalent to constant. Okay, so we are derived to the equation PV equivalent to 2 by 3 NE. Okay, so here the PV equivalent to constant values. Okay, so this Boyle's law, temperature you are taking to the constant, the pressure inversely proportional to the volume. P directly proportional to the 1 by VR. Okay, so next you see that Charles law. So Charles law, what we are doing, the pressure is a constant. Okay, pressure is a constant, the volume directly proportional to the temperature. Here the Charles law we have to keep to that constant value. Which one we are taking to the constant value? Pressure. Okay, whenever you are given the pressure, that is a constant pressure, the volume of the gas directly proportional to the volume of the temperature of the gas. Okay, so now you see that the formula we are taking to the PV equivalent to 2 by 3 U. So for the fixed pressure, the pressure is a constant, the volume of the gas here directly proportional, that is a proportional to the internal energy of the gas, or the average kinetic energy of the gas, and the average kinetic energy is directly proportional to that absolute temperature. So it is implies that V directly proportional to the T. So V directly proportional to the T. However, we are how to write V by T equivalent to constant. Okay, so next this is the Charles law. So next you see the Avogadro law. So Avogadro law, you see that this law states that the constant temperature and pressure. So the Avogadro laws we are taking to the constant values here to temperature and pressure. Equal volumes of the all gases. So all the gases you are taking to the two type of the gas you are taking means the molecules, number of the molecules, the two types of the gas inside having to the number of molecules is a same only. So number of molecules is a same only. So different gases you are taking means the same temperature and pressure according to the kinetic theory of the gases. So now we are taking to the two different types of the gases we are taking. That formula we are assemble it. P equal to 1 by 3 N1 V M1 V1 square modulus. Okay, so next one 1 by 3 N2 V M2 V2 square. Okay, so next in the V1 squared modulus and V2 squared modulus, they are mean square speed. So the out we are taking means here we are taking to the molecules. Okay, so the molecules here, whenever you are given to the temperature, that times what happens, the inside having the gas inside having to the molecules is here vibrating vigorously. It's a accumulated. What happened? It's a moving to the fastly. It's a here and there. It's a moving and collide also. It's a pushing to the wall also. This and all we are study to the previous class, right? The same like only for that we are taking to the values. So the two gases and N1 and N2 are the number of the gas molecule into the two different gases. So that is I told it to the Avogadro values. Okay. So next are the number of the molecules. So at the same temperature, the average kinetic energy per molecule is the same for the two gases. So that the same temperature we are given to the, at a time we are given to the kinetic energy to that the same gases, the different types of the gases we are giving to the same temperature. The molecule is here vibrating. It's a doing, it's a, whenever you are giving to the temperature means what happened? The inside having the molecule also here moving to that. Okay, it's a working to that. That kinetic energy here. They are producing the kinetic energy. So that times what the formula we are considered means half mv square. Already you know that you are studying to the lower class also the kinetic energy or the formula half mv square. So you are taking to the two different types of the gases. Okay. So next you see that dividing the equations 15 and 16. So you see that the both of the you are divided. So you are divided means what come. Okay, so you see that N2 we get the value, you see N1 and 2. You see that divided padingna what happened, 1 by 3 cancel, 1 by V cancel, M1 V square, that and all we are cancelled. So balance we are get to that M1 by V1 only we are get the values. Okay, so next you see that this is the Avogadro values. This is the Avogadro laws. It is sometimes referred to the Avogadro hypothesis or the Avogadro principle. So we are referred to that. Okay. So next you see that root means square speed. That is we have to write VRMS. So VRMS means volume. RMS means root means square. Okay. So that is we are written the shortly form. So that root means square roots. Root means square speeds is defined as the square root of the mean of the square of speeds. So inside having the molecules going to the high speed, it's a moving. Okay, that we are telling all the molecules the speed of the square of the speed, the multiply agum. So if a 2% of the moving of the speed means it's a double create agum. It's a 4. 4 it's a 8, 8 is a 16. So that is a multiple of the double, it's a creating, it's a square root. 2 is a 4, 4 is a 8, 8 is a that. Okay, so it's a creating that. Okay, so now you see that square the values. So now you see the denoted by the VRMS equivalent to root of V squared modulus we are taking to the. So V value what? V value already we are taking to the kinetic energy. So V value we are taking to the, you see that I written the blue pen. So V value we are taking to that KT equivalent to 1 by 3 mv squared. So that is what? We are taking to the V squared value we are taking from the kinetic energy formula. So kinetic energy formula KT equivalent to half mv squared. Okay, the V square you are keep it this side. Other central you are moving to the that side means what happens here coming to that equation V squared equivalent to 3 KT by M. So 3 KT by M coming that. Okay, so this is a V squared of modulus of the V squared. Okay, now we are substitute to that formula VRMS. So your substitute means what come that VRMS equivalent to root of 3 KT. So root of 3 KT by M. So the 3 you have to take to the root. What value coming? 1.3, 1.73. You are take to the log values 1.3, 1.73, sorry, 1.73 come the log value. So root of that kinetic energy by the mass. Mass is the molecular mass. M is a molecular mass. So next you see that direct from the equation we are taking to the points. First point is RMS speed. So that is a root means square speed. It's a directly proportional to the square root of the temperature. So it's a square root of the temperature. The VRMS is a directly proportional to the square root of the temperature and the inversely proportional to the square of mass of the molecules. Okay, so that the given the temperature of the molecules of the lighter mass move faster. So you are taking to the two types of the gases. Okay, the gases, one types of the gases having to the lighter mass. So the gas inside having to the molecules having to the mass is a very light value only. So that types of the molecules, the lighter mass having to the molecules, they are going to the heavy speed. It's moving to the, whenever you are apply to the temperature, that times the inside having to the molecules are moving to the fastly. Okay, so heavier mass, the second gases having to the internal molecules having to the heavy mass. So that molecules is here, whenever you are applied to the temperature, that times what happens, moving to the slow only. Okay, so slow only. So what happened, that whenever the lighter mass having to the molecules, whenever we are given to the temperature, that time is moving to the fastly. The heavy mass of the molecules, whenever you are given to the temperature, it's moving to the slow only. Okay, it's a process only. The kinetic energy is very slow. The lighter mass having to the molecules faster. It's a faster only. Okay, it's a moving, the kinetic energy having to the very fast. Okay, so next you see that next point. For example, we are taking to the lighter molecules like the hydrogen and helium. So hydrogen and helium. Okay, so helium and have either VRMS. Then the heavier molecules such as that oxygen and nitrogen. So heavier molecule is a nitrogen or oxygen. Right. So second point, the increase the temperature will increase the RMS speed of the molecules. Whenever you are increase the temperature, inside having to the molecular of the speed also increases. Depending on the temperature. Heavy temperature we are applying the molecules. What happened? The molecules also moving to the heavy speed. Okay, so we can also write the VRMS in terms of gas. Constant we are taking to that, the term of the constant R. Okay, so the equation can be returned. VRMS equivalent to what we are applying, Na what? Avogadro, number of the Avogadro values. That is the number of the molecular value we are taking to the Avogadro values. Okay, that is the Avogadro hypothesis, or we are applying to the Avogadro principles also. So we are applying to that multiply and divided Na by Na. So what we are coming the values, VRMS root of 3 Na kT divided by NaM. So where Na is a Avogadro number, already you know that. Okay, so now we are taking to the NaK, we are taking from R. Okay, so we are replaced to the NaK equivalent R. So replace that R. So NaM, small m, we are replaced to the capital M. So capital M, it's what? It's a molar mass. Okay. So next we are to write the substitute the R and capital M values. So VRMS root of 3RT by M root. Okay, so now we are can be also written the terms temperature equivalent to speed of the pressure equivalent to 1 by 3 NMV squared RMS. Okay, V squared RMS equal to the V square of modulus. Okay, now you see that the impact of the impact of the VRMS values. You see the moon has no atmosphere. So moon having to that gravity is a less, very gravity is a less. So what happened? The escape speed of the gases, the lighter speed having the lighter mass some of the molecules having to the lighter mass, okay, that mass out to that in the moon. You see that the escape speed of the gases on the surface of moon is a much less than the root mean square speed of the gas due to the low gravity. So the low gravity la what happened, the gas, the molecular of very less of mass having to the molecules moving to the escape to the speed la என்ன ஆகும், escape ஆகிடும். So from the surface of the moon, escape to the from the surface of the moon. So next you see no hydrogen in the earth atmosphere, no hydrogen in the earth atmosphere, as the root means the square root of the hydrogen is a much less than that the nitrogen, it's a easily escape from the earth atmosphere. So easily it's a escape to the atmosphere, the earth. In fact, the presence of the non-reacting nitrogen instead of the highly composition hydrogen deters many, destroy the consecutions. Okay, thank you children.